2021 GMC Yukon with less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.